Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most of people solve this question like 4 divided 4 is equal to 1. Okay. Now 5 divided 5 is equal to 1. Now 1 divided 1 is equal to also 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. So according to the PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponent, then multiplication and division both have equal priority, then addition and subtraction also have equal priority. Okay, so here is a one division, here is one division, and also here is one division. All have equal priority, therefore we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, now 4 divided 4 is equal to 1 divide 5 divide 5. Okay, now 1 divide 5 can be written as 1 by 5 divide 5. Okay, now according to the KCF rule, K means keep, C means change, and F means flip. So keep this 1 by 5 as it is same, 1 by 5. C means change the sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this fraction. 5 is equal to 1 by 5 is equal to 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25. Okay, so 1 by 25 is the correct answer. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.